Assalamualaikum. I'm back with another unboxing video after a while. So this is the product. Though I'm a little bit late, but I'm happy that at last I've gotten this. So without wasting time, let's open this. I'm going to use my traditional tool. Here is opening. So here is the coming black box. Oh wow, white box, black box. Its box is not only its box is small, but its opening is also very easy, just like a drawer. You can see, so you can place it in this box and take with you anywhere where you want. I'm loving it, yeah. Oh, it has some sticker, desiccant drying material, information leaflets and booklets for your help. So let's check what is this. It is bag to place the gimbal, wire, another wire to charge gimbal. So here is the gimbal, the folded gimbal I have brought. At this time it is placed here. So here is the last thing. Let's open. What is this? Tripod stand. Place the gimbal somewhere. So let's unfold this thing and try to use it. Here is its button, as you know. How is it going to open? This is the way. It's locked again. Here is the power button, TW, camera button. Here's the power button. As you can see, it is on. Battery is slightly low, I think. It can be charged from here. Here it is USB-C plug, and you can also place it with the help of its stand. Here I have placed my gimbal. So I am going to place the mobile here, and it is better to place the mobile before powering on the button. So I am going to place. So here I have placed my mobile here in gimbal. As you can see, it is towards my side. With this joystick I can move it up and down. So this is the 360-degree view of gimbal. It would be important to note that you have to place mobile without cover so that the gimbal can easily handle your mobile. Here you can see it's charging. It is probably 50% or at almost 40%. So this is power button. This is to close or open this gimbal. From here you can charge. This is joystick. Focus plus, this button is for focus minus. Camera, this is playback. This shows operation button. This is inception mode. This is showing battery. Trigger button, here it is trigger button. This is USB port. From here some of its awesome features include time lapse, inception mode, vertigo shot, and object tracking. Now for the test drive I have come to a space. So now let's check its stability.
Here I am going without gimbal.
Now I am going with my gimbal. So this is my unboxing. Hopefully you have enjoyed it.